I want to have a little powwow with you. Just something that I learned within myself, and something that I've learned throughout life is that fear and love. I always talk about this a lot. Um, Fear and love are two very strong emotions. And those emotions are the things that keep us going. Those are the emotions that stop us from doing things. Those are the emotions that make us be in motion. And sometimes when we have fear, fear stops us from doing things that we know are good for us. We know that it's the thing that if we do this, that something probably brilliant is going to happen. And we allow that fear to get in our way. Basically, we allow ourselves to get in the way. So what I'm going to say to you is that if you have a fear, if there's something that you know that this is the one piece that's missing, and if I do this thing, things will start moving for me. I will tell you this. Get out of your way. Me creating this video, me creating a series of videos, me just talking to you guys, not about stuff like coaching this and strategy that, and letting people see that this is me getting out of my way. So I'm doing it. I want you to do it. And I know that it'll feel better. You can't hurt anybody. You're not hurting anybody except for yourself. Don't limit yourself with your fear. Understand that possibilities is they're endless when we get out of our way. So this is my message to you. Get out of your way. Do something that you know that you want to do, something that you have been putting off, something that you've been afraid of doing, and get out of your way and go ahead and do it. Start that business, plan that family, take that vacation, start a video channel, whatever it is. I want you to get out of your way. Because trust me, I know, probably hit the mic, that's how you can, it's going to feel so much better. I can't even explain it. I have no idea where it's going to go, but I'm happy for the ride. And that's the excitement I want for you. Bye-bye.